In e-commerce, staying ahead means knowing what's hot and trending right now. But with so many products and platforms, finding the next big thing can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Introducing Diffshop, the ultimate tool for discovering trending products across the e-commerce universe. Built with care for brands, DTC sellers, Amazon sellers, and dropshippers. At Diffshop, we track over 1 billion e-commerce SKUs, ads, and keywords across various e-commerce sites and social media platforms. With data sourced from top platforms like Shopify, Shein, Temu, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google, Diffshop gives you an unparalleled view of what's selling and trending now. Diffshop has 4 key sections. Product research. Explore products from top platforms like Shopify, Shein, and Temu. Ad research. Uncover viral e-commerce ads from Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Store research. Analyze top-performing Shopify stores and their strategies. And keyword research. Discover what people are searching for across online shopping platforms. Simply apply filters such as units sold, sales revenue, growth rate, traffic, and keywords. With a single click, search now, we'll refine the data to match your criteria. Discover winning products effortlessly.